Hello students, today we will study about the exercise 6.3. This is the exercise of standard 9, chapter number 6, lines and angles. So in previous class we have studied about the triangles, right? Two theorems we have studied about. One is the angle sum property of the triangle and second one is exterior angle property of a triangle. So based on that, now let us solve some of the questions. So the first question of exercise 6.3 is, here we have given one of the triangle PQR, QP and RQ. QP is extended and RQ is also extended of a triangle PQR are produced to point S and T. If SPR, we have given one of the angle that SPR, that is 135 degree, and QP, second one angle is PQT, that is we have given as a 110 degree. We have to find out the angle PRQ. This angle we have to find out. Okay, so let us notice this angle is one of the angle of this triangle, and that is an interior angle. But both this angle here we have given are the exterior angles, right? So here we can solve this sum in two ways. First is we can apply here the linear pair concept. If we apply here linear pair, then we can get this angle P. In the same way, here also we can apply the linear pair concept. We can get this angle, and then we have to apply the angle sum property of the triangle. That is, these two angles are known, and we can find out this angle, because the addition of all the three angles must be of 180 degree. So this is the first method. Second method we can apply here the linear pair concept, right? So that we can find out this angle. Now this is what it is, an exterior angle, and it is equals to the addition of the opposite two angles. That means Q plus R. So in this way we can also find out the solution. So let us apply the second method, right? So here we have to write down that we can write down that angle TQP plus angle PQR. The total will be 180 degree because of linear pair. Both this angle TQP and PQR making linear pair. So this value of TQP is now 1, 1 and 0 plus angle PQR, that is equals to 180 degree. Now take this 110 to the right hand side. Therefore we get the value of angle PQR is equals to 180 minus 110, that is equals to 70 degree. So this is the first value, this angle value now we have, and that is 70 degree. Okay, we can also note down here it is a 70 degree. Okay, now we want to use this exterior angle SPR, right? So according to the exterior angle property, we can write down that angle SPR is equal to the addition of the opposite angles. So this angle PQR plus angle PRQ, both are the interior opposite angles for this exterior angle, right? So this is equals to addition of these two angles. This we can write down according to the exterior angle property, right? Exterior angle property. So angle SPR is, we have 135. Okay, angle PQR we have find out already, that is 70 degree, plus this angle we have to find out PRQ. Okay, when we take this 70 to the left hand side, and therefore we get the value of angle PRQ is equals to 135 minus 70, and that is we get 65 degree. So this is the value of angle PRQ. Okay, you can also apply the angle sum property of the triangle as I have stated earlier. First of all, you can, as we have find out this interior angle, you can also find out this interior angle, and then by applying the angle sum property, you can find out this angle. Okay, now let us study the question number 2. Question number 2, here also we have given one of the triangle in which angle x is equals to 62 degree. We have given xyz. This angle is also 54 degree. We have given yo and zo are the angle bisector of angle xyz and xzy respectively of triangle xyz. Find angle OZY and YOZ. See, here we have given that this is a triangle XYZ. Now, YO is the angle bisector of XYZ, right? So, here this angle XYZ is divided into the two equal parts. One is angle XYO and second one is OYZ, and both these angles must be equal. And both these angles we can write down that the half of angle XYZ. XYZ. Because the total angle XYZ is divided into the two equal parts. So suppose the total angle is, here we have given that 54 degree. So here we have to find out angle OZY. So OZY, this angle we have to find out. But first to that, this angle if we want to find out, then these two angles, first this and second one is this. Okay. So here one more thing we have given is that OZ is also the angle bisector of angle XZY. So here also we can write down that angle XZO is equal to angle OZY, and that is equals to 1/2 of angle XZY. Now here two angles of triangle XYZ. Two angles we have given. This is 62 degree. This is 54 degree. So here we can find out the third angle XZY using the angle sum property of the triangle. So here simply we can write down that angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Right. Now put down all this value. Angle X is 62, angle Y is 54, and angle Z we have to find out the total is equals to 180 degree. Now the total of this is 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 that is 11, 116 plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree. So therefore we get the value of angle Z is equals to 180 minus 116. So 180 minus 116, that means we get the value 4 and 64. We get the value 64, right? So this is the value of angle Z. Now the first angle that we have to find out is OZY. So angle OZY we can write down as a 1/2 of angle XYZ, right? OZY is XZY, 1/2 of angle XZY, 1/2 of angle XZY, and that is equals to 1/2. Okay, what is XZY? That is angle Z, and that is 64, and therefore we get the value of angle OZY is equals to 64 divided by 2, that is equals to 32 degree. So this is the value of angle OZY. First angle value we have find out. Now to find out this value of YOZ. See, there is another triangle is created here, OYZ. This triangle, if we have the two angles, this and this, then we can find out this value. But here only one angle value we have, that is OZY, and that is equals to 32 degree. Now we can find out this value of OYZ. And what is OYZ? OYZ will be 1/2 of angle XYZ, and XYZ is 54. So we can write down the OYZ, angle OYZ will be 1 half, see OYZ is 1 half of XYZ and XYZ is 54. 54. So this angle OYZ we get is 27. 27. So now two angles of OYZ is we have, that is one is 32 and second one is 27. So here also we can apply the angle sum property of the triangle. So when we apply this first angle OYZ, that we have find out, that is 27 plus second angle is OZY, that is also we have find out 32. Now the remaining is YOZ, angle YOZ, and total will be 180 degree according to the angle sum property of triangle. Now what is the addition of these two is 7 plus 2 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5, that is equals to angle YOZ, and it is equals to 180. So now when we take this to the left hand side, sorry 59 to the right hand side, we can find out the value of YOZ. So angle YOZ will be 180 minus 59. So that is 121 degree. That is the value of angle YOZ, and that is equals to 121 degree. So see how we can use this angle bisector to find out the value of OYZ and of OZY, right? And then we have to apply the angle sum property of triangle. Okay, let us study question number 3. Question number 3 is, in given figure, AB is parallel to DE. Angle BAC we have given, that is 35 degree. Angle CDE we have given, that is 53 degree. We have to find out the angle DCE. This angle we have to find out. Okay. So DCE, that means this angle we have to find out. Now see, here CDE is a triangle. One of the angle we have 53. If we can find out this angle, then by applying the angle sum property, we can find out the angle DCE. So think about how we can find out this angle. For this, we have given that AB is parallel to DE, and if we consider AE as a transversal, AE is transversal. So now we can write down that angle BAE is equals to angle CED or AED, right? Here we write down angle CED. Read, this C and A are the collinear points. So instead of writing AED, we can write down the CED because the angle remains the same. It is not changed here. C and A are the same points collinear, so we can write down it as a CED, right? And this both angle will be equal according to the alternate interior angle property. So here we have angle CED will be equal to 35 degree. Right? Now two angles we have, CDE that we have 53 and CED that we have 35 degree. So in triangle CDE, if we apply the angle sum property, we can write down that angle CDE plus angle CED plus angle DCE total is equals to 180 degree. That is angle sum property of triangle. Now put down all the values. CDE is 53, CED that is equals to 35, and angle DCE that we have to find out. Total is equals to 180 degree. Now the addition of these two angles is 88 plus angle DCE is equals to 180 degree. Now take this 82 to the left and right hand side, and therefore we get the value of angle DCE will be equal to 180 minus 88, that is 92 degree. So this is the value of angle DCE. Okay, so here using the angle sum property of the triangle and exterior angle property, we can find out the value of whatever we have to find out. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.